Personal injury claims and health insurance. Health insurance plays a major role in all personal injury claims where the injury victim has health insurance. Individuals inexperienced with injury claims are often confused by the rights and responsibilities arising following an injury accident. An accident typically gives right to a lawsuit against the wrongdoer. The wrongdoer is liable for the harm caused, but the health insurance carrier of the victim is responsible for paying for medical expenses incurred. The injury victim often wonders if there is a point in making the claim against the wrongdoer when there is health insurance to pay for all the medical expenses and when there is income coming from state disability insurance for lost days of work. The person who is filing a personal injury claim must seek the assistance and help of a personal injury attorney. He is the professionally and expert who is knowledgeable on legal matters, particularly on contingency, or the amount of compensations that is fair for the injured person. Hence, claims can also be settled with an insurance company. In this case, mediation is used instead of litigation. Mediation is believed to speed up the process of settling claims. This way is both efficient for the injured person and the insurance company he is working with. Long-term disability. If the impacts of the personal injury are long-term, causing anything from disability requiring medical treatment, care at home, or caused any permanent disfigurement, you could be entitled to a large payout. Psychological trauma. If the accident has left you with psychological trauma, you may be entitled to claim for compensation to help you deal with the issues you're facing. Medical expenses. Personal injury can also cost a considerable amount of money, particularly if you have suffered a severe injury. Some injuries also require ongoing physiotherapy, which can be expensive and disruptive to your life. A personal injury may also be able to recover any medical costs that you have had to pay out of your own pockets. Personal possessions. Sometimes, possessions will be damaged through an accident that was no fault of your own. These will also be taken into consideration and may be compensated for so that you can replace them. Duty of care. Your legal action could even force those who are responsible to make changes to guarantee others do not get injured. Accident at work claims are a typical example of this. Employers have a duty of care to ensure employees are working in a safe environment. As an employee, if you make an accident at work claim, this will also urge your employer to prevent others from suffering the same or similar injury whilst at work. Quality of life. Significant health problems, such as a spinal or brain injury, may make it impossible or very difficult to work in the future, making it difficult for you to achieve a good standard of living. Your solicitor will ensure that you receive the maximum amount of compensation that you are entitled to by law to contribute towards improving your quality of life. Often health insurance carriers refuse to pay for medical expenses incurred as a result of an accident, because of the risk of not getting reimbursement and to force the personal injury victim to pursue a claim. A seemingly simply personal injury claim is actually a complicated process involving many issues, one of which is health insurance reimbursement. Serious injury victims should always consult with a personal injury attorney. A personal injury attorney may seem expensive, but in reality are no more expensive than other attorneys, and the benefit received by the consumer is offset by the net recovery to the claimant.